Hi guys, Andre here with HUAWEI, and today we're checking out Huawei's latest wearables. This Huawei Watch GT3 46mm, the Watch GT3 42mm version, and of course this stunning Huawei FreeBuds lipstick. These wearables undeniably scream luxury. I mean, look at it! Huawei sure knows what elegance means. But before you buy any of these devices, let us walk you through its top features first, so you can maximize style and enjoy what they have to offer. Starting with the upgraded Huawei Watch GT3 46mm and the Watch GT3 42mm. If you're wondering, the only difference between these two is their physical features, which are obviously visible on their straps and touch displays. I like that their designs look like classic watches, but you still get that futuristic vibe once the display's turned on. Of course, these offer 5 ATM water resistance and are compatible with Android and iOS phones. The two versions have their own set of strap styles to choose from. As you can see, the 46mm that we have has a classy looking leather strap, and it's also available in the Silver Elite Edition or the Black Active Edition. If you're into large watches, this is recommendable for you. Now the 42mm looks sporty in this black stainless steel case and strap. It's also available in white and in an elegant looking gold Milanese strap that's made out of stainless steel. Checking out their respective cases, the 46mm watch sports a 1.43-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, while the 42mm features a 1.32-inch 3D curved AMOLED screen. Both versions come with a rotatable crown, which is also the home button, and below that is a familiar side button that you can personalize in the watch settings. So one of the major upgrades that the Watch GT3 has is its software. Running on HarmonyOS 2.1, this smartwatch allows you to answer calls, get important information, and learn about health data from the watch face when they raise their wrists. You can also control music through the watch, and you get the ability to store up to 500 songs as well since it's got 4GB of storage ready. Plus, if you're using a Huawei smartphone or tablet, its HarmonyOS makes it a more seamless experience. You can also expect tracking features such as an upgraded TrueScreen 5.0 Plus heart rate monitoring, continuous SpO2 monitoring, female menstrual cycle management, and stress management assistant. There are also over 100 workout modes on board, including 18 professional workout modes, 7 indoor workouts, and 12 outdoor workouts like running, mountain climbing, hiking, cycling, open water swimming, and such. But besides all of that, the feature that stands out for us is their battery lives. The Huawei Watch GT3 46mm supports 14 days of battery life in typical usage, while the 42mm version offers up to 7 days in typical use. I've used other smartwatches in their range, and I must say that this one is just long-lasting. Alright, now let's talk about this fashionable Huawei FreeBuds lipstick, which from the name itself pretty much describes its design. It adopts a luxury-grade stainless steel black and gold body, which is refined and polished to provide a smooth mirror-like surface. On the other hand, the earbuds opt in for a vibrant red hue to stimulate the actual cosmetic product. I'm seriously getting a Totally Spies vibe here, but still in a premium way. It also has an IPX4 rating, so some rain or accidental splashes shouldn't be a problem. The Huawei FreeBuds lipstick sports Active Noise Cancellation 2.0 and 14.3mm LCP dynamic drivers that allow for what Huawei claims as open-fit ANC and high-resolution audio quality with up to a 40 kHz frequency range. According to Huawei, the open-fit ANC technology provides for a customized noise cancellation effect, which reduces low-frequency ambient noise through detecting the shape of your inner ear and wearing style. As for connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 5.2 and a 90 ms latency on EMUI smartphones. Don't worry, it's compatible with other Android and iOS devices. Battery-wise, with the noise cancellation turned off, the FreeBuds lipstick can last up to 22 hours of music playback with the fully charged charging case or 4 hours of music playback with the fully charged earphones. That's pretty good. As for charging times, the earbuds and charging case without earbuds can be fully charged in approximately an hour. So there you have it. Those are the top features of the Huawei Watch GT3 46mm and 42mm and the stunning Huawei FreeBuds lipstick. If you're interested in purchasing these wearables, we'll put the links in the description box. But what do you guys think about these devices? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit hugaitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Andre, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.